Okay, that title might be an exaggeration. See, I always wanted a portable setup that I could take with me in my small gouache bag for writing up scripts and general productivity, and this Nuphy Air60 V2 just might be it. Before anything else, let me disclose that I was interested in reviewing this keyboard, and Nuphy sent this over for an honest review. In the box we get the manuals and guides for setting up the board, not to mention it doubles as a poster for Nuphy's own anime figure. You also get stickers out of the box, and moving further along, you get a hard plastic cover and the board itself neatly tucked inside. On the top compartment, we see heaps of accessories including the two Type-C cables, one for C2C connection for tablets and phones, and a normal Type-A to Type-C for computers, which is right-angled as well, since the board's port is on the left. Next to that is the keycap and switch puller combo, extra switches, the 2.4 GHz dongle, extra keycaps for Windows, and some other novelties as well. I've also added in the Nufolio for a better user experience during travel use, and this is how you install it with the board. The Nuphy Air60 V2 is the second generation of the 60% low profile lineup Nuphy has, featuring the modified ANSI layout similar to the yesteryear's budget keyboard, the GK64, inheriting the arrow keys on the bottom row along with the one new shift key and delete key on the right of that. It's a perfect compromise for those who want a compact keyboard yet hates the removal of the arrow keys in the 60% form factor. It's easy to get used to as well, which is a plus. Design-wise, it's still the same template as the original one, but where it matters, they fixed it. It has major improvements on the kickstand, now being incorporated and magnetic, and to the middle of that, we see the mirror accent piece with the Nuphy logo, and some teal rubber feet. To the left side, we see the Type-C port for easier managing on tablets, and to the rear, we see the Windows and Mac switch as well as the status switch for what mode you're in, as this supports wired mode, Bluetooth, and 2.4 GHz with a dongle. This is all encased in a two-piece plastic design with a frosted matte look on the bottom and a white top for mine, but this also comes in silver or black if you so wish to. Here it is, compared to the other 60% keyboards I have. As you can see, the X and Y axis remains the same, but there's a huge difference on the height, making this a lot more portable and carryable than my Tofu 60. As for the PCB, it's complete with features, BIA compatibility, hotswap with compatible low-profile switches, not to mention RGB, which leaks through the semi-frosted bottom case. Two accent lights fill the top part of the board that house the caps lock and battery status as well. Overall, a complete package, not to mention the tri-mode connectivity and the 2500 mAh battery. The keycaps here are Nuphy's own low-profile keycaps, now offered in double-shot PBT as opposed to the B1's die-sub PBT finish. They're vibrant, with sub-legends for Mac functions, and the key alignment and printing are of high quality as well. Definitely remarkable, considering it comes standard with the board. I specifically chose the Wisteria switches as I've heard good things from them from Tech Beetle, and I was not disappointed. They are some light tactiles, but I do feel the bump. Light also passes through them thanks to the transparent top, and the board overall sounds nice and clacky. Stabs could have been better, but considering its plate mount, it's easily fixable with the touch-up Krytox. Besides BIA compatibility, better keycaps, and a better kickstand, the B2 also gave more options for case color and switches, not to mention the heaps of foams added on this version, making this sound nice even for a low-profile keyboard. Hear it for yourself. This keyboard came in at the right time as I was searching for a new tablet, and alas, this was the purchasing force that led me to buy one. I've got myself a Samsung Galaxy Tab A9 Plus, and with this setup, along with Samsung Dex, I've gotten used to it quickly. It has been great using this, specifically with the Nufolio as my kickstand, and I assume it will work with iPads as well. So for about $109 USD, this is a bargain low profile mechanical keyboard for the price. You get great switches, great keycaps, and a great out-of-the-box typing experience. Not to mention, tri-mode connectivity without the fuzz of a cable. All for a third of what Apple is offering with the Magic Keyboard. I'd compare this in a point of reference with other tablet keyboards, as this is the intended market for this. There are plenty of other keyboards at this price range, but this one solves a specific niche, catered towards tablet users. Here's a stretch. If Nuphy have had a variant with a trackpad on it, or even maybe a trackball like the HHKB Studio, I'd buy that so fast as well. As for now, this comes highly recommended. How about you? What are your thoughts on low-profile keyboards in general? Let me know down in the comment section below. I'm John J. Bueba, and I'll see you in the next video.